how to make and create event announcement video on Canva PC. So hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create event announcement video professional on Canva. First thing, go to Canva, go to the top right here and click on create a design. Click on video. Now it will take you to this page. Scroll down until you find event announcement video. Click on see all and now choose any template you want from here. For example, I'm gonna choose this one, and you can change the photo and everything from here as you can see. After you finish, go to the top and click download. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.